Guys, welcome back to another video. This one's is a build that's local to me. I'm going to be going through I'm just going to be videoing different sections being built. They've already built quite a bit. I wish I'd started from the beginning really, but I love cranes, and I mean diggers and stuff, you know. It's something that interests me, to be fair. But this is a build anyway. I'll tell you a little bit about it. It's a waste disposal, burning, incinerating basically all the waste that can't be recycled. So they're going to burn it through this plant. Not sure about the effects it's going to have on people local. What sort of pollution it's going to expel. But you can see here, I'm just going round the plant just to show you so far what they've built. It runs by the side of the M5 motorway between junction 1 and junction 2. So many people have probably already seen, going past, have seen it being built. If you know the ins and outs about the construction that I'm going to cover, then please feel free to make comments, which will be nice, for us to all grow in knowledge together. As you can see, there's many cranes here. There's one big one, and there's a main one, and then there's obviously smaller ones around the outside. So I'm just going to just keep showing you clips of different stages of the workmen working, what they're doing. Nice to see the crane as well. I'll be able to get some footage of the crane obviously picking up heavy items. So I hope you enjoy it. So thanks for watching anyway. Just sit back and enjoy. I will be doing some talkovers on some of the sections, just probably a bit of comedy or something when people are talking, because I'm zooming in on some of the areas and I'm focusing on what they're doing. I'm trying to see how what they're doing to build certain sections, and it's really good. It's quite interesting. So if you enjoy things like that, then please leave a like, subscribe and comment. So here you go. Thanks for watching. Take care. So as you can see here, there's some lads in hanging around on one crane. This is from obviously from the top, bird's eye view, looking down, trying to see what I'm doing down there on the inside. So there's a couple of lads here hanging around, and you've got the main piece here. That's off the main crane. It's obviously holding on to something, while these the workmen need to do something to put it into position. So I don't spend too long on different parts. I do sometimes, just to try and because obviously I don't want to keep skipping from one place to another. I just like to see what they're doing. So if they're doing something interesting, I will stay on it a bit longer. If they ain't, and it's it's just like these lads here, they spot me. They do actually. Yeah, look, he just saw me there. Look, telling his mates now. Yeah, get back to work. Go on. I'm watching you. Yeah. So yeah, I'll be going around different parts of the build. Obviously if it's really interesting, I'll stay a bit longer on that section. if it's not so interesting, I will come away and then we'll, you know, we'll go to different parts. But what I always do is when I first get there, I have a little rotation around the site to see what's going on, because obviously there's, you know, there could be somebody just doing a little bit of welding this end, but on the other end there could be some something major being you know, erected up with cranes being involved. If that's the case, I'd sooner go on the cranes and have a look at what's going on there. This is all the pipes and they're on the inside. So it's quite sophisticated, the build. It's just burning non-recyclable matter. I just obviously, like anybody else who lives in the area or surrounding areas, obviously we're always concerned about pollution. You know, what it's going to throw out into the atmosphere. Just hope that it's going to be quite clean. There's plenty of filters inside, and you know, they keep it contained within the building. Yeah, so I think I'm just checking out the cables. I've got it zoomed in here. I'm not close. I've got it zoomed in. I'm quite far out. Just readjusting myself, having a look around. I do that sometimes. You'll see me zoom right out, so I can obviously got a wider field of view, so I can see what's going on. If there's anything going, you know, any interest going on, or anything worth videoing going on to the right or to the left, I'll be able to see it then when I zoom out. But there's quite a bit of stuff. I've got quite a bit of footage that I need to upload, and some of it is really interesting. I mean, I enjoy watching it, and I hope there's many of you out there that do. If you do, leave a comment. Obviously, put a like, and let us know your thoughts on the videos. Perhaps you even work on there, and you can share some information with us. That'd be good. You know, which sections that they, because I mean, I don't know all the sections or what they're going to do. Obviously there's going to be a big area where they burn the stuff, but you got a lot of pipes, you got a lot of different parts, and I don't know what they're going to use them for. I know them saying that with the waste that they're burning, they're going to be able to, I think they're going to be able to heat something like 95,000 homes. So it's going to generate quite a bit of energy. So I think I got it right anyway. I might be wrong. I'm sure I read it on the site. So yeah. Just see what these are doing here. Them up the top there, didn't they? I'll zoom in to have a look, you see, to see what people are doing. And hopefully I'll just do a bit of like voiceover and some things, like, you know, perhaps a bit of comedy. You know what I mean? Just to make things a bit more interesting. There's a lot of structure though, isn't there? A lot been going on. There's the main crane. That's the main one, that is. I don't know about you, but would you like to sit in one of them cranes? I'd like to have a go, but looking at the structure there, see the white structure, just to the well, it was to the right hand side. That's only, that ain't very big, you know. It ain't very wide, and it makes you wonder, like, you know, if there's really bad winds, like whether it'd blow it over, because it's just, it only looks about, I don't know, looks 10 foot squared on the floor. These are just different, obviously, generators and stuff and things that they've been using on the site. And some guys here doing a bit of scaffold so they can get to other sections. Yeah, it's quite interesting though when you watch. I mean, these ain't doing a lot, am they? He was just pulling on that, tugging on that rope there. So he's obviously trying to get somebody's attention a bit lower. But as always, when you got your drone, I don't go overhead. I mean, when I was looking at that bird's eye view shot, I was quite up. I wasn't anywhere near the crane. It's cables. There's loads of cranes and there's loads of cables hanging about, so I wouldn't be silly and fly my drone right over there. I'm on the outside of the work site looking in. I like it to stay that way as well. I might get a little bit closer, like, because I know on the other side of the build you got the motorway, and between the motorway and the actual building you got a canal. So if I'm over the canal, I'm alright. I'm not actually on the site. Obviously, if a crane has to come over, I think they keep it more or less on the site really. But I'd always I always check. I'm constantly always checking. And with this drone now, with the sensors, them using the sensors now, so you like them like cameras, so you can look to your left and you can look to your right, even though you got your video going forwards in front of you. So I'm just making them more and more safer, like, so you don't hit stuff. Or if I'm like, say if I was here now and I was going to the right hand side slowly, I can only see what's in front of me. But now they've updated it, I can actually see what's to my right. I can actually see what's to my left without turning my drone left or right. It's amazing, really. I think them was the lads I looked at me earlier, didn't they? Yeah, they think I'm the gaffer, you see. I'm back to work. He's saying I don't know where. Well, I don't know where I put that. You know, I got some letter there. Mrs. has written my letter in a shopping list. Yeah. Don't forget to pick up the eggs, the bacon. Sharing it with his mate now, look. He's saying, blooming hell, it's a big shopping list you got there. That's massive. Who expects you to do all this after work? Oh yeah, she's the boss, innit? She wears the trousers. Yeah. Can you imagine the conversations, can you? Yeah, we've got some people here now. Hanging around again. Yeah, we can see her. It's like a big Meccano set, isn't it? I know it's a lot more sophisticated, but as you watch the videos, you'll see they've got parts everywhere, all laid out, like, you know, obviously numbers on what goes where. Quite interesting. I love construction. I think it's amazing. I don't like it when it pollutes the earth, when it's causing, you know, premature deaths and all that. I prefer it if it's going to help the environment. Like them big fans they've got now that can suck the air. They suck all the carbon monoxide or dioxide out of the atmosphere, and as they're sucking it, they're actually drawing it out of the atmosphere, which we need, because the gases that are causing global warming, we need to reduce them, don't we? So things like that is amazing. I'd love to watch something like that being built as well. But perhaps we'll find some viewers that can give us a bit more insight on this building. How clean the air is going to be when it pumps out, because it's got a big chimney stack over there. I mean, that's going quite high. So obviously, to me, it's going to be releasing some gases and chemicals into the air, isn't it? That's why they want it high. I don't know what it's going to do to the people locally. But anyway, let's just enjoy watching people put it together, and hopefully, like I says, share knowledge and find out, more about it. They said it's going to be completed the end of 2025. So still got another 2 years, haven't we? Be nice to see it come together though, and document it all. Like, I'm just moving around here, just having a look, exploring different avenues, what people are doing. I'm not sure whether they tie them pieces, like that piece there in the top left hand side. Can you see it flapping with the wind? I've seen a couple of them. Not sure whether it's just somebody's tied something there, or they put there to show the crane driver how windy it is, or I don't know, the direction of the wind. Coming around the other side now, ain't I? Yeah. Quite a few people there, didn't there? Well, in one area. Yeah, I've done quite a few videos on it. Some really interesting parts being put together. As I upload more, you'll see yourself. But it does get really, really interesting, like, what they're doing. I think it's them in it from the top, going down, like. 'Cause there's some people in there, aren't there? So there must be like you know, fixing something or attaching something, because you've got the main crane there holding something in place while they try and fix it down. There's a few up there as well, isn't there, on the other side? Looks like they're all waiting for the lunch break. Well, that's it for now anyway. Well, thanks for watching. Just a little bit now. I'll upload another one next few days. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. All of you keep safe. Take care.